10 suspects of examination malpractice today appeared at UNEB offices to seek redress from management. 3 of the suspects included a head teacher, director of a sitting center in Kanyanya, an invigilator and a scout, who are said to have cut a security envelope containing PLE papers on the first day of the examination.
About the same.
Okay. My name is Kemali Annette. I'm a senior legal officer in UNEB. Today we received suspects at UNEB offices who requested to meet our executive director in respect of an incident that took place during PLE. The incident took place somewhere in Kanyanya, involving a scout, a head teacher, chief invigilator, and some other head teachers. The gist of the incident is that they cut an envelope, an examination envelope, and took photos. They were in the process of carrying out this exercise and they were intercepted. What was the problem with this? One, the procedure for delivering exams is such that when exams are picked from police,
they are also said to have photographed and shared the examination on social media platforms.
Is supposed to take them to the school. They are received by the chief scout, the chief invigilator and the scout, and they are taken to the examination room where there is a lockable facility until examination time starts. So on this unfortunate day, the distributor did his job, took the examinations to this school. Chief invigilator and the scout received them. Instead of following the procedure and taking them to the examination room, they went to the head teacher's office. When they went to the head teacher's office, they cut. There were already other teachers and other school heads who were waiting, started taking photos with the intent of sharing, and some of them actually shared. So as they were in the process of doing that, they were arrested. So it's a gang of about 10, 12 people who have different things they engaged in, and they will be charged accordingly. We cannot divulge the names of the school at the moment. We cannot divulge the names of the head teacher and all the other persons involved, because this matter is going to be taken to court. It's at court where all the information can be obtained in accordance with the law.
The other 7 were found with exam content on their phones and are suspected to have shared the same electronically. The suspects are currently under police custody and are expected to appear before court to answer different charges. Danny Odongo, the executive director, UNEB, said the board will wait for the verdict of the court.
Life, you will not last very long. Gentlemen, if that is how you want to go through life, you are not going to last very long. Because from here, you are going to try something more dangerous. Although this is already very bad. You want to destroy the education system of Uganda by your action. And here you're telling lies. I don't know how the envelope was cut, how the envelope jumped from the table, went to the shelf. I don't know how the thing got into my phone. Some spirit just moving around. All of you are out of the room, but all of a sudden the envelope is cut. It is, I don't know where. You will not go very far. From here you'll try something else, and it will not be very good for you. But for us, we are very disappointed in you. The work we are trying to do to give education to the children of this country so that they grow up upright children. Now when you cheat for them, those children will grow up knowing that the only way you can go through life is to cheat.